up? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back again with another super dope, amazing video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little experiment with you guys. If you all do makeup, or if you all have social media, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, you guys will see, like, within the beauty community or within like the makeup community, they all have this, you know, discussion or debate on whether they do their brows before their foundation or the brows after their foundation. So today I'm going to be doing that experiment. I typically always do my brows before my foundation because I just cannot get with doing it after my foundation. So today I'm going to be experimenting and doing half of my face brows before foundation and brows after foundation. So we're going to see what the difference may be, what the difference will look, what the difference is. We're going to see what the difference is. We're going to see like the different feeling, and we're going to compare sides to see what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys will love to come on this adventure with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. You already know the drill. Share those videos with everybody. Love, so your girl Deja Vu could be popping. I love y'all so much, and let's get right into the video. So to start off, I'm trying to see which side I want to do with brows first. I think I'm gonna do this side brows first and then this side brows after. So yeah, let's get right into this look. I already have my mascara and a little bit of highlighter because I was contemplating on if I wanted to do my makeup. I was contemplating on if I wanted to do my eyebrows and stuff for church or whatever, but I just decided not to do that and then just put on highlighter, lip gloss, and mascara and call it a day. So yeah, I'm going to do my brows right now. So I just want to say I'm so sorry. I genuinely apologize. It has been 3 weeks since I posted a video on my channel. That is not like me. I just had a lot going on and my schedule has just been crazy. So I haven't had the opportunity to actually sit down, film the video that I want to film. And let me tell y'all, last week my ring light completely went out on me. So I can't film videos without ring light. So I had to, you know, purchase the ring light again, and then I had to wait for that to come in the mail. So I'm like, I can't even film with my ring light gone. So it's back now because, you know, we're here. So I genuinely apologize. We still back to back on 19 period. That's not changing at all. Your girl is coming with some heat. But yeah, I genuinely apologize. And I don't like doing my brows after my foundation because I feel like that just, it doesn't come out, it never comes out right for me. It always comes out in, you know, a mess or a scramble. And I'm kind of a perfectionist, even though my friend told me I shouldn't be a perfectionist because nothing will ever be perfect. But when it comes to my craft, I'm just really like dead, like everything just has to be right and good for me because I'm more of a quality over quantity girl. No, quality over quantity girl. Like, I'm not gonna put out trash stuff. Like, y'all see I ain't posting in 3 weeks. I wasn't about to give y'all no trash content when I'm gonna give y'all dope content with the ring light. I wasn't about to do that. So yeah. Now we're gonna do a little concealer underneath the eye, right here. Y'all, I never contour. I literally just do this highlight stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this out. Yeah, like I was saying, I never contour. Okay, so every time I go to try to get the contour palette by I think it's Black Radiance or something like that. Y'all know the contour palette, the light to dark, dark to medium, then dark to deep or something like that. I always go and try to get that palette, but they don't never have my color. They literally always have the deep to deep something, dark to deep. They always have dark to deep, and that will be too dark for me. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I will never learn how to properly contour. So I always just highlight. Literally be faking it. Yay. Banana powder. Now this is the scary part. I don't know how. I don't know how to do my brows with my foundation already done. But we're gonna try to do it. We're gonna try. Oh, I look cute. Okay, we baking. I see it coming. It's a forearm. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the excess brow stuff that we already had on here. Maybe I need a little bit more though. Oh nope, I think we're good. Never know, because my concealer is light, but it's not like too light. Like it kind of looks like skin a little bit, but it's not like, you know, perfect match like my foundation. I'm a little, you know, shook to do this part, but we just gonna do it because it's a part of the challenge. Okay. Lord, please let me do this correctly because I may be going somewhere tonight and I need both of my brows to not look like twins, look like sisters, or is it to not look like sisters but to look like twins? I don't know, but let's just do this in Jesus' name.
Oh my gosh, Cam.
Have I been fooled by myself? Hold on. Oh, you just wait. Oh, you just wait. I don't know, y'all. Y'all be the judge. Like, y'all tell me, because I think I may have found a new technique. I don't know. Let's just wait. Let's wait till we finish the whole look and then decide who's gonna who's gonna be. Let's just wait till we finish the look and decide who's gonna be on the winning team. Contestant A or contestant B? Because baby, when I tell you, let's just get us a little, you know, eyeshadow on. This is not an eyeshadow video, but you know, we about to take our favorite palette because I haven't bought another one. Don't judge me, judge your mother. Or if y'all judging me, y'all can always just send me a palette. So we're gonna use mocha malted Bordeaux and a little bit of cafe au lait. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. We're just gonna put that in our eye, on our eye. Okay. We just wanted a taste of something. Like, we don't want to go all, you know, dramatic on the eye, dramatic on the eye. We just wanted a little dip in the pool. Shook. I'm shook. I know you lying. Where is my Makeup Forever powder? I know you lying. Oh, I know it. 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 There she is. Found her. We found her, y'all. Ever since I done got sent this product, I have not went back to Miss Fit Me Matte Poreless. I have not went back to her. We have been makeup forever. Professional Velvet. Because this gives me all the life. I mean, all of it. So we're going to... It's like, no, let me pay attention. We're just gonna dust this on my face. Have my face looking like what? Skin. Period.
Period! 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 Period!
Even when I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day we chakaido.
Okay, so my lashes are on. Something is seriously wrong with me in real life. My lashes are on. I was about to say I don't know if they're on properly, but they look like they're on fine. They don't feel like they're on fine. Got a blocked. You can't pat no alpaca.
And you blot. You don't wipe no damn alpaca. You blot it. I mean, see, something light. You don't need nothing heavy. Notice I didn't apply too much pressure to the lip. I just blotted them motherfuckers. Okay? That's how you make your lipstick last longer. Blot. Okay?
So this is a completed look, and I feel like, I don't know guys, like my brows look so good, and y'all let me know. What did I say in the beginning? Contestant A or contestant B? I'm really feeling, I like both of them. I always do my brows like this, never like this. I don't know guys, like, I don't know. I think I like both of them, so I'm probably going to be doing both, like switching up my makeup routine every single time I do my makeup. I was about to say every single day, but I don't do makeup every single day. No, we don't do that. I don't know guys, I like both of them. I don't know. Y'all tell me which one y'all like better. I like both of them, so I can't really decide. But I'm probably just gonna switch it up and do both of them. But the one that's probably easier and much quicker, I can definitely say easiest and quicker. I was about to say quickest. Easiest and quickest. Oh, that is a word. Easiest and quickest will definitely be this side, because all I have to do is boom, 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 boom. And then, you know, blend it right in with my foundation. And then when I add the powder, can't even see the lines that I made with the lighter concealer. This side really, like my brows all together, when I do my brows first before all my foundation and all that, it literally takes me 15 minutes to do my brows. And then after that, like 10 minutes or like 10 or another 10 or 15 minutes to do my whole entire face. So doing my brows after my foundation will probably cut down some time with my makeup regimen. So yeah, I'm really feeling this natural look. Like, I never, like, this is real, like, together. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I have not posted in 3 weeks, but I'm back to back on 19 period. Nothing is stopping you right at DVEJU VU, so please go watch and share my previous videos with your friends, family, catch your dog, or know the drill. Share those videos. Everybody loves your good as you will be popping. I love y'all so much, and I'ma see y'all in the next one.